I need to improve communication within my school. How do I do this? Improving communication within a school involves several key strategies, including establish clear communication channels. It is essential to establish clear communication channels within the school. This can include regular newsletters, emails, or text messages, staff meetings, parent-teacher conferences, and student assemblies. Ensure that everyone is aware of the communication channels available and how to access them. Encourage open dialogue. Encourage open dialogue within the school community. This can include regular feedback sessions, forums for discussion, and town hall meetings. It's essential to create a safe and supportive environment where all members of the community feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and opinions. Foster collaboration. Foster a culture of collaboration within the school community. Encourage teachers, parents, and students to work together on projects and initiatives. Collaboration can help build trust and create a sense of shared purpose. Emphasize active listening. Emphasize the importance of active listening within the school community. Encourage all members to listen to each other, seek to understand different perspectives, and communicate respectfully. Use technology. Utilize technology to enhance communication within the school. This can include using online platforms such as social media, email, and messaging apps. Ensure that all members of the community are comfortable using the technology and have access to the necessary resources. Celebrate success. Celebrate success within the school community. Recognize the achievements of teachers, students, and parents, and use these successes to inspire others. By implementing these strategies, you can improve communication within your school community and create a more cohesive and supportive environment.